Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is carbon and its compounds. Carbon is an element and is denoted by the symbol C. It is a non-metal and its atomic number is 6. The name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo, which means coal. This is because carbon is the main constituent of coal. The amount of carbon present in the Earth's crust and atmosphere is very small. कार्बन एक एलिमेंट है, नॉन मेटल है, गैर धाती, सिंबल इसका C है और इसका एटॉमिक नंबर जो है वो 6 है. The amount of carbon present in the Earth's crust and atmosphere is very small. बहुत कम तादाद में कार्बन पाया जाता है एटमॉस्फेयर में, कुरैबात में और इस जमीन पे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम बात करें कि अर्थ's क्रस्ट में 0.02% कार्बन है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मिनरल्स. अगर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मिनरल्स 0.02% है तो फिर लाइक कार्बोनेट्स, कोल एंड पेट्रोलियम. एंड द एटमॉस्फेयर हैज, अगर एटमॉस्फेयर में है 0.03% of carbon dioxide gas. In spite of this small amount of carbon available in nature, carbon element has immense importance in every sphere of life. As you know, rather we all knows that all the living things, plants and animals are made of carbon compounds like organic compounds, and a large number of things which we use in our daily life are made of carbon compounds. Dear students, we can test the presence of carbon in a material on the basis of the fact that carbon and its compounds burn in air to give carbon dioxide gas, which turns lime water milky. This is how we can test the presence of carbon in various elements. Now, dear students, as our topic is carbon and its compounds. Compounds are substances which are formed after combining two or more substances in a fixed proportion. Means when we combine two or more substances in fixed proportion, we will get a compound. For example, water is a compound and is made of two gases, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Though hydrogen is a combustible gas and oxygen is supporter of combustion, that when we combine these two gases in fixed proportion, that is 2:1, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, we get water. And the property of compound is that it reverses its properties on its use. That is why this water extinguishes fire instead of accelerating the combustion process. Dear students, carbon always forms covalent bonds, as the atomic number of carbon is 6, which means that a neutral atom of carbon contains 6 electrons. So, the electronic configuration of carbon is, in K shell it has 2 electrons, in L it has 4. Its clear carbon has 4. Its first octet, that is K shell, that is complete, because the first shell of every atom must have 2 electrons. That means the first shell is stable and has 4 electrons in the outermost shell, that is L shell. Since carbon has 4 electrons in its outermost shell, so it should lose 4 electrons or gain 4 electrons to achieve the inert gas electronic configuration and to become stable. Now carbon is very small, due to which its outermost electrons are strongly held by the nucleus, so it is not possible to remove 4 electrons from a carbon atom to give it the inert gas electronic arrangement. It is also not possible to add as many as 4 electrons, so there is only option before the carbon to achieve the inert gas electronic arrangement by sharing of electrons. So carbon shares the electrons. Whenever the sharing of electrons takes place, the bond thus formed is a covalent bond. Okay, thank you, beta. See you in next class. Take care. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum.